It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Christmas is in the air, and reunions are everywhere. And if you're planning to hold your next get-together here at top of the Globe Glorieta, you might want to consider hosting it at Coco Ichibania. Imagine having great conversations with friends in this pleasant surroundings over a plate of Japanese curry. Sarap, diba? First time ko ngang matitikman tong famous pork cutlet omelet. Medyo intimidating lang for first-timers yung mga steps, options, and combinations that you can choose from. Pero itong customization of dishes kasi talagang nagpasikat sa Coco Ichibania. Pwede kang pumili ng rice size, spice level, at toppings from a wide selection. Hindi ako mahilig sa maanghang kaya pinili ko lang yung mild spice level. Tapos standard portion of rice. At sa first bite, ang masasabi ko lang, oishi! Yung pork perfectly fried, yung curry base is flavorful at ito talagang nagdala sa meal. At may bago dito, steak curry omelette. This will definitely be a new notable combo ng malambot na steak with Coco Ichibania's curry sauce na universal ang sarap kasi kahit saan mo pala i-pair ito, it makes the dish more special. For dessert, ang galing nito. Yuzu cheesecake. Yuzu is like a Japanese lemon na yung lasa parang lemon and orange combined. Kaya on top, citrusy ang lasa. Di matamis yung cream, tapos sa ilalim may Biscoff and Graham. No umay factor kasi nga, dessert na di matamis. And to make your holiday reunion more special, order kayo nito. Cheesy Cheers. Bago daw ito, may 3 flavors kang pagpipilian. Melon Dew Mary, Strawberry Shine, at Perky Peach. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko itong Melon Dew Mary. For me kasi, mas bumaga yung fruit flavor niya sa cheese cream. Yun lang, uwi na.